Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening Canning Recipes. A little bit of everything. Today, we have so much to do, so I'm going to make me up some scrambled eggs, and we all know about the egg situation. So Greg and I freeze-dried these probably a little over a year ago, maybe even more. So I'm going to show you how freeze-dried eggs perform after we rehydrate them and fry them up into scrambled eggs. Now the ratio is very simple. It's 2.5 tablespoons of egg powder to 2.5 tablespoons of water equals 1 egg. So I'm probably going to make about 4 eggs here, and I will do a 1-to-1 ratio. I have my skillet over here heating up with butter in it. So let's get to mixing this. I'm going to open this up and we're going to see how this performs. We have quite a few of these jars back there stored up. Ooh, did you hear that seal? So we're not too worried about eggs right now, and we are able to still get them. And so we are going to continue to freeze dry these. Look guys, look how light and fluffy these are. So I'm going to make more than just 1 or 2 eggs. So I'll do 1-to-1 in my measuring cup to show you. Look how flaky those are. Can you see that? Let me make sure. Yeah. And again, these have been back there for about a year or so. I'll put my video link below so you can see. And these are organic eggs. So I got about a 2/3. I'm going to go ahead and do a 1/2 cup here. Actually, I have a cup of eggs because I'm going to make sure Pop and Greg have some. So we put, a cup, full cup, sorry guys, full cup. So we're going to put a full cup of the powdered eggs and a full cup of water. And we're going to whip this up just like you would scrambled eggs. Let them rehydrate. Let me turn my heat down over here a little bit because I don't want my butter to get burned before these are ready to go. You can add cheese, salt and pepper, a little bit of milk to it to hydrate to make them more fluffy. So with the amount of eggs that we have back there, we bought these at what the price was a year or so ago, guys, and I've added it up, and it's about a $77 savings. So let me add a little bit of salt and pepper to these. Again, you can add some shredded cheese and some milk, and it is going to take a little bit of time to get them rehydrated. I'll take these out of the way because we want to save those. Oops. I'm going to keep whipping this until it looks like it's pretty smooth. I think we're ready to pop it in the skillet. So let me turn my heat back on. And we are going to add the eggs to our butter. Oops, I'm a little messy this morning, aren't I? And you can see they are fluffing up and looking just like fresh scrambled eggs. Add some sausage to this, make you a breakfast burrito, add some bacon, or just add sausage or bacon and eat by themselves. Looky there. We will give it a taste test here in a minute. Let's turn the heat down some. I'm pretty impressed, guys. So we got some canning to do today, so I needed to get something in my belly that was good and filling. And I think we're ready to give it a go. You can see the consistency is like fresh scrambled eggs. Now, some of the other things that you can do with these freeze-dried eggs is you can use them in your baking mixes, any of your recipes. So, wow, guys, I'm so thankful that we have all of these back there on the shelf, because we do have probably about 10 or 12 quarts of these. And it tastes just like fresh scrambled eggs. So we got our Harvest Right a little over a year and a half ago, maybe a little bit more, and we have freeze-dried things like this like crazy, excuse me, to put back on our pantry. And I think eggs is one of our favorite things to freeze-dry because they do so well. And again, we saved probably about $77 to $95 just with the eggs that we have back there, because we won't have to buy if we don't want to. But we are continuing to buy, and we are going to continue to freeze dry to make sure that we have these on hand. And don't forget my chickens. They should start laying in about 6 or 8 weeks. And so we will be freeze drying those eggs as well. So I wanted to give you guys an example, a demonstration on how well these freeze-dried eggs hydrate and cook up. Very excited about this and very thankful that we do have these. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up and hit that little bell up in the right hand corner. And if you're not already a subscriber, guys, we ask that you hit that subscribe button, and you can follow us along as we start rehydrating some of these things that we have in our pantry. Stay tuned. God bless you all. Look out for the next canning video coming soon. Love you.